our next choir to hit the stage is from Capital Kingston, East Kingston to be exact. Do they have the skills to execute a jaw-dropping performance? Well, we're about to find out. A round of applause, please, for Dunoon Park Technical High singing Forever Amen.
Our Father in heaven, your name be lifted high, and your kingdom reigns forever. Be glorified, be glorified, our Father in heaven. Your name be lifted high, and your kingdom reigns forever. Be glorified, be glorified. For thine is the kingdom, thine is the power. You get the glory forever. Amen. It's all yours, yours, yours. All the glory is yours. It's all yours, yours, yours. You deserve all the honor. Yours, yours, yours. All the glory is yours. It's all yours, yours, yours. You deserve all the honor. Thine is the kingdom, thine is the power. You get the glory forever. Amen. Thine is the kingdom, thine is the power. You get the glory forever. Amen. It's all yours, yours, yours. All the glory is yours. It's all yours, yours, yours. You deserve all the honor. All yours, yours, yours. All the glory is yours. It's all yours, yours, yours. You deserve all the honor. Yours, yours, yours. All the glory is yours. It's all yours, yours, yours. You deserve it, Lord. It's all yours, yours, yours. You deserve it. All the glory is yours. It's all yours, yours, Lord. You deserve all the honor.
Dunoon, I enjoyed that item. It was so delightful. You all have very nice voices. The only problem I had was the song is pitched too low. So when they were singing some parts about you deserve the honor, they were going so low that we could hardly hear them. But the harmony was nice and the movements were good, and you have to just be careful of when you go into the parts. For thine is the kingdom, it sounded a little weak right there. But you've done a good job today, and I hope I'll see you in another round. Yes?
Dunoon, I like the song. I admire the unity. The control was very attractive. The biggest issue for me, the key was not just low, Joy, but it was way too
Yeah, it
low.
was low.
Sound like you were talking.
Yeah, I would echo what both judges say. It's almost it's below what your speaking voice is actually. So beautiful voices. So I can imagine the next time you come back
Yes?
and you have it pitched in the right place, I'm going to hear all this beautiful sound coming from you. Looking forward to it.